Hi guys, what's good? How you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel. If you are new to this channel, and if you are, please consider subscribing. I will appreciate it. Thank you very much. I got Miele Complete C3. This vacuum gear deserves your attention. We want to see what Miele can do. Okay, so this vacuum gear is very powerful gear that you can rely on. It's a powerful gear that you can rely on, and we want to give this vacuum gear a big job, okay, to vacuum all the socks, okay, on the floor. So what we want to do now is to see if Miele is equal to task, okay, to see if Miele can do this work, okay. Just gonna move this away. Miele is on, is getting ready for the work at hand, okay, and it's in. Now I also want to see, I want to show you there is no bag, okay, so the socks will go into the container. So we didn't put, I have the bag here, but I just removed the bag so that for free movement of the socks. Yeah, it's in. I might need to use the high power. There we go. Beautiful. Look at that. Yeah, set. Amazing stuff. Wow. Brilliant. Whoa, 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 whoa. Wow, amazing. Powerful, powerful. This is yeah. Which one to choose? Which one? Hey. Now we want to see what's happening here. Okay. Now I can see full up. So we're going to remove it. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So when you are doing this, just to make sure you move it away. Okay guys, this is powerful stuff. Okay, this is to show you can see it's full up. Okay, beautiful. Miele, you did a good job. Okay, thank you very much guys. And this is a vacuum gear you can rely on. Thank you. And stay blessed. Thank you. Miele Complete C3. This gear deserves your attention. Thank you.